Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making semolina porridge at home from scratch. This is a very simple recipe I entreat you to join me as we make. These are the two same ingredients we are using for today's semolina porridge. So we have fresh fruits here, we have some semolina powder, we also have milk, and we have some slices of bread, our white vinegar, my favorite milk powder, some sugar, some salt, a spatula for cooking, and then our saucepan here. Also be using a knife. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into our saucepan, we are going to add in the milk, we'll give it a stir, and then we'll start adding in the semolina powder. So we'll add in gradually and then mix so that it doesn't form any form of lumps. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to add in the salt and then we'll mix. Then we'll leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll take it off the sauce of meat and serve it to our bowl. We are going to work on the apple and the grapes. Now we are going to serve the semolina into the bowl here. This is how it looks like, as thick as I want it. Now we are going to serve it with the sugar and our milk powder. And this is how it looks like. So we are going to serve it with our bread on the side and then we'll enjoy. Or it can be served with just fruits. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.